Okay. Start.
Andhra Pradesh,
Chandrababu Naidu,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Bhima Kandu,
Assam,
Himanta Biswa Sarma,
Bihar,
Nitish Kumar,
Chhattisgarh,
Mohan Charan,
Goa,
Pamur Savant,
Gujarat,
Bhupendra Bhai Patel,
Haryana,
Nayab Singh Saini,
Himachal Pradesh,
Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu,
Jharkhand,
Hemant Soran,
Karnataka,
Siddaramaiah,
Kerala,
Pinarayi Vijayan,
Madhya Pradesh,
Mohan Yadav,
Maharashtra,
Devendra Fadnavis,
Manipur,
Noshi Mushtaq Pesarlul,
Meghalaya,
Kanak Sangma,
Mizoram,
Lalu Huma,
Nagaland,
Refurio,
Odisha,
Pamur Savant, Bhagwan Man,
Odisha,
Pamur Savant, Vishnu
Punjab,
Sai,
Punjab,
Noshi Mushtaq,
Punjab,
Refurio,
Rajasthan,
Bajalal Sharma,
Sikkim,
Prem Singh Tamang,
Tamil Nadu,
M.K. Stalin,
Telangana,
Anamula Revanth Reddy,
Tripura,
Manik Saha,
Uttarakhand,
Prem Singh Tamang,
Uttarakhand,
Pushkar Singh Dhami,
Uttar Pradesh,
Yogi Adityanath,
West Bengal,
Mamta Banerjee,
Delhi,
Rekha Gupta,
Pondicherry.
N. Rangasamy. Thank you.
Thank you, Yalini.